guys, welcome to a new First of Corner video. I got the special galaxy type shattered glass bumblebee, and also the special galaxy type Grimlock T-Rex. You can see, so cool, but I put some clay so the arms can attach him, but it kind of loose and I lost it. Yeah. Here are the boxes. I put their cards in my cards collection. But now today we have Defender version 3, the heavy metal war. We got Blocky there, Transformers model kits. I feel like this is Brilliant Megatron, or is it Glittering Shockwave, or Skywarp, since you hear that? That kind of sounds like Skywarp, but I don't want to spoil too soon. Let's open this bad boy. Okay. Oh my god, this is really hard. Who did we get? Got the card cup here. I'm not gonna look, so you take a look first. 3, 2, 1. What did we got? Oh, we got the special galaxy type Grimlock. That's so cool. And if you don't know, the cards are also instructions. I'm gonna put that there. And let's just grab this. Grab the bag. Why is it so hard to grab the bag? Ha! There you go. Here is the bag. Let's just open this guy. And oh my god! Oh my god! This is so cool. Oh my god, you see that? This is so cool. So we grab these pieces, snap them together, and you also get this and this, connect them. Actually, what the instructions are. So let's oh, there you go. Next one. The next arm is this piece, this piece, and this piece. Yep. Yeah, that's the pieces. We put these here and this here. Pretty awesome. Pretty good. Now what's the piece next? That, and that. Okay, I can do that. First, we grab this. And then, this is so cool. This is like the cool. These are model kits, guys. These are model kits. So, guys, we just do that, and we have this. We should put this here, that together, put that there, put this here, check. Put this here and put this here. This guy looks a menace. Oh my god. And I think we are done. I don't know what are these. These parts. I don't know where they come. But I know where they go now. Since I love Blockies. So, you think I don't know Blockies, huh? Actually, this guy looks pretty good. Like, look at his detail. He had some prints here. He has also a prints here. He also got a translucent sword, metallic gray with a metallic yellow, a gold yellow, and a metallic red, the same red as for Optimus Prime, I think, since I never got the rare Optimus Prime, but they also use the same technique to do with the gold Optimus Prime from the yearly book 2026. I haven't got that since I'm broke. But this guy looks a menace. I can do some dynamic poses. Not dynamic. This is on a bow joint, but it kind of has an ab crunch, but no double jointed. That's sad. It's got some neck for the articulation. Not full 360, and a full 360, the head can move up. Oh my, the head can move down and up and down. Elbow bend, we got, I think, a 40-degree bend or a 50-degree. The hands can rotate. The sword has an articulation. The ab crunch. Thigh swivel. No, that's not a thigh swivel. That's a what do you call that again? I don't know, but it's like the hips can, no, not hips. Hips can, I think hips. The crotch can rotate. The legs can go back, forward, and sideward. But it's kind of hard because the knee bumps. I mean, this bumps. You also got a knee bend, and the feet can swivel. So I'm gonna do some curse modes or some cool modes, like in the latest Defender version. In the latest Defender version 6, they have a BW Megatron, and I wanna do the same with Grimlock. So I think you should remove this and that, and also remove this. But I don't know how do you put this on here. Maybe you just remove this. You can remove this, and you can. Oh wait! Oh wait! Starscream. No, not Starscream, but I have this. I think you're supposed to put this here. That's so cool. I think if we need to add a gun, but this looks cool. I wanna do the same. Let's get SG Bumblebees. Put this here. This looks sick! Don't tell me that doesn't look sick. Bro, that looks sick! This looks like the special armored type. Not special armored type. This looks like the special armored type BW Megatron in Blocky's Defender version 6. This guy looks a menace. Oh my god. In the article. So I'm gonna send the articulation now. It has a jaw that can articulate, and this can articulate, and this can articulate. So 2 more articulations are just added to Gremlin. This is so cool. It's cool. Now this looks so cool. Wait.